So, bro, I'm hiding from that cop. That police turned around on me and started coming back this way. So, and he just went past. I'm giving him a little time. That way I don't catch up to his ass. Bro, I'm like... Yeah, if police just turned around on me and I just went and put myself a little invisible for a minute. Alright, bro. I'm trying to give him a little time to get ahead of me, you know, so I don't freaking... Because I was doing about 55 and a 35, and he literally instantly put his brakes on and made the U-turn. But I was going pretty far by then. Nope, there we go, going straight. So hopefully he gone. I wish I had the video of him passing by. I just went and hid behind that little bus until he's gone. He might not even be coming after me, but dude, it sure didn't look like it. Murphy Police, not Wiley, it was Murphy Police. Murphy Police. I'll be like, that wasn't me, sir. I just came from Dallas. That road over there, I just took a right onto this road, sir. I have no idea what you're talking about. I wasn't even going to turn the camera on until I got down here because I didn't want to waste battery, but that was too funny, man. That was too funny. The boy could kind of tell what I was doing because he seen me hide and he seen that cop come by. All right, getting it. Whoa. These people out here ain't silly people. They're different than us. Even though it's 2 minutes from the city, they do things a little differently down. We do things a little differently down here, boy. Round here, we don't take kindly to them two-wheel motor bicycles. Motor bicycle killed my daddy. What? 11 minutes. We're gonna go meet some new guys. One of them's got an FZ, I think the other one's on an R6. We're gonna see what's up. Ah! Not sure if we're going on a ride or what. He's like, hey, come out to the Wiley Fire Station. Well, there's the first one. I'm like, bro, there's like 10 of them. Oh yeah, number 3. Oh, damn, I could have sworn he had a right blinker on. Hey Cardo, music on. $15-mile-an-hour curve, bro. This is where we need to be right here. Woo! This ain't the Daytona. Whoa, slow down, stupid. Oh, this ain't that bad. Whee! Ooh, wow, look at this shit. It's cool as shit. Ooh, boy. Dude. Dude. Ooh, that's sick, bro. Well, I want to do that like 800 times in a row. You know, usually when you're in a group, you got pack immunity. And when sometimes when you're by yourself, you forget you don't have the pack immunity. So you gotta just kind of hold together. Hell yeah, dude. That way or this way? If he wants to run, I'll run. That dude got his hand out for a long time. What's up, bro? Jam pack. This dude might be taking me somewhere to kill me. Nah, you go first. Why? Because I want to kill you. I mean, nah. Oh shit. I thought this dude was going to be like a rich weirdo, but he's just like a cool guy. He's like a good old boy. Are they waiting on us? They're waiting on Angry D. Oh, is these dudes bringing me to... Are these dudes telling me how to bring me to police? Nah, man, these are good dudes, bro. What is this shit? Please don't come kill us. I know I look like a dog. Don't shoot me. Put some skis on this thing and let's hit the water. Wah, 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 wah. That'd be sick. Really in, wah, 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 on the water. Wah, 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 wah. Don't fuck up your bike.